Hey guys, what's going on? This video today is gonna be awesome. These are my favorite videos. We're gonna start the car up. And guys, if you're enjoying the content, if you're enjoying the videos, remember to like and subscribe for more weekly content. And who needs an excuse to start this fucking thing up? Because I'm a dead set rev head and I love the sound of my own car. So let's get into it. The one thing is, Clayton, in order to start this thing up, I need the battery out of your car.
You gave that to me in confidence.
I know. And it was the battery from this car. So I need to borrow it to start it. And then we can put it back in. And I've got a charger. We can charge it back up. It'll be sweet.
That'll actually be good. Yeah.
Easy. I'm literally standing here doing absolutely nothing and just watching the fuel level. Like, this is what life's about. Those little siphony tubes, nuh-uh. This is the gear. Well, we had it running and I think it's blown a fuel pump fuse, so I'm gonna check that out now. But yeah, had it fired up, probably ran for about 30 seconds and then just cut out, and now the fuel pump won't turn on. So let's investigate that. Guys, do not run a 10 amp fuse with a MagnaFuel ProStar 500 pump. Just doesn't work. I'm gonna whack like a 30 amp fuse in there and give it another go. Oh, you just stuck a 30 amper in. Oh. Oh la la. I don't know what that fucking noise is. One of the things I've been wanting to do to this car is to increase the initial timing on it. I've got the laptop plugged in now, so let's take a look. So this is the screen that we're looking at. And this here is the timing curve. So you can see we're running at 30 degrees timing, and that's all in by around about 2,500 RPM. So we've got it at cranking speed here. I think that's about, I don't know, looks like 13 degrees at 224 RPM. So that's roughly cranking speed. And then I'll just move it over to, so at idle, we're at 20 degrees at between 700, and it sort of slowly starts to ramp up to 22 at 1200. So what I'm going to do is make that flat 30 all the way through. What I think that's going to do is to really crispen up the idle. Let's fire it up and see what it does. All right, take one, I swear. No, it's about take 10, but whatever. All right, guys, it sounds so good. So just to run you through what we did, the carb was as it was rebuilt. So all I changed on the carb was I lowered the idle a little bit. So both the primary and the secondaries, we closed the butterflies, and I turned the idle mixture screws out quarter of a turn. And that it's idling at about 0.7 lambda. So I don't know if that's good or not. It does seem to go really lean when like on the throttle hit. So I might be looking into a different accelerator pump squirter, just one with like a bit bigger orifice so that it can get a bit more fuel when it needs it, like immediately on the hit. But otherwise, man, super stoked. No leaks in that new fuel system. And man, it's so exciting. Like, it's just, I've got Clayton here. I've borrowed his battery out of his Camry just to start this thing. We've got Carla here who's putting up with the ridiculous noise and the fumes and shit. And I can't thank them both enough for letting me have this thing here and, you know, create havoc in this lovely suburban street.
Hello, I'm Roger Rogerson. What do you want me to say? What do you want to ask me? Let's go.
What do you think of the car?
The car's awesome. I've always liked the car.
Really?
Yeah, and I know nothing about cars. I drive a Camry, and it's an old one, but I like this one.
Hasn't been in a crash at all.
Oh, I mean, don't get me wrong. I've hit a few things, but I wouldn't call it a crash. I met Todd Kelly and Mark Scaife once, and they once told me if you ever meet someone that has a really nice car, you should put it in your garage, keep it forever. Tell the you're going to give it back, that kind of thing. They signed my hat.
Oh my God. All right, well, I don't know what I was going to say.
Yeah, you get nervous as soon as the camera's on you.
I
I'm like talking about robbing you all casual, like there's nothing.
Yeah.
Roger Rogerson out.
Well, guys, I know I said I'd be uploading this video on the 16th, but you're not making it easier. I get nervous. Thanks so much, guys. I really hope you enjoy this video. It's just a short one today. The next thing we're going to do with this thing is to take it out to an event. So whether that's Mad As Burnouts, or we've got the Tested Tune at Willowbank. There's a Cars and Coffee, I think, that Downshift are running. I think that's this weekend. I don't know what we're going to do, but rest assured that whatever we do, it's going to be videoed and it'll be uploaded for you guys. So stick around for that. Like I said, I really hope you enjoyed the video. I love making videos like this, especially when we get to start the thing up. Like, these are the more interesting videos and they're the ones that I personally really like. So if you enjoyed the video, press the like button and consider subscribing if you want to see more of this thing. We got so many plans for this year and into the future as well.
Hey guys, if you're loving the content, please like and subscribe for more excellent weekly videos. What?
Hey guys, if you're enjoying the content, please like and subscribe for more weekly content. I just copied you for flat out.
Hello.
This is all going to be in the outros. Dude, there's so many good fucking... Hey guys, what's going on? In this video today is going to be awesome. We're going to start up the car and we're going to fuck up the intro. That's what we're going to do.
Oh shit! Google didn't tell me.
Clayton just got his new aircon installed. Wants to see how cold his room gets. Anyway. So yeah, thanks so much. Like and subscribe. Guys, I'll see you on the next one.